Now to the vaccine rollout. Today, the third vaccine in America began shipping out. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine was approved over the weekend. Today, the first truck started moving it across the country. Let's go live to NBC5's Lauren Petty. She's on the story for us. And Lauren, when and where is the Johnson & Johnson vaccine going to arrive here?
That is the big question, of course, and we're getting some answers for you, Allison. We've learned that the first doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine are expected in Illinois on Wednesday, with more than 100,000 doses on the way. A total of about 105,000 doses are on its way right now, according to the Illinois Department of Public Health. And you can see that vaccine being packed up and shipped out of Kentucky, of a Kentucky facility earlier this morning. Now, each of those white boxes you see is good for 50 shots. They contain about 10 vials of vaccine. Each vial has 5 doses. IDPH officials say Chicago is expected to receive about 22,000 doses on Wednesday. The rest of the state will divvy up the remaining 83,000 doses. The University of Chicago participated in the clinical trial for the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. Of the 466 participants enrolled through U of C, more than half were minorities, and doctors say the vaccine prevented hospitalizations and deaths.
If you asked anybody last spring if we had a vaccine that looked like this, they would have taken it in a heartbeat and not looked back. We were very lucky to have 2 other vaccines that were also very effective. So now we have 3, and now we have a really good chance of getting back to some normalcy in the United States.
Indiana public health officials say they expect about 20,000 doses to arrive midweek, with more being shipped later in the week. And in Indiana, they will work with clinics to get the vaccine where it's needed most. Now, as far as where the shots are going in Illinois, officials will only say the vaccine will be sent to providers across the state. So it's unclear right now if that's hospitals, health departments, pharmacies. So we still have a lot of questions about how this one-shot vaccine is being doled out. We will keep asking those questions and, of course, bring you updates when we get them. Back to you.
Great to see the progress, though. Thanks, Lauren.